All right, so 2004 Chevy Tahoe. We'll be doing the spark plug swap. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully they maintain this car, because sometimes these wires, they'll cut out. They won't come out completely. All right, let's try the first one. All right, so for the first two, they came out. Luckily they didn't break, and the spark plugs are right under there. First one is under here, second one was right there, third, fourth. Just go ahead and wiggle it when you're pulling it, so hopefully it doesn't break. So luckily the first two didn't break on me. All right, let's go ahead and pull out the third one. Just wiggle it. Let's pull this out. Disconnect it. See, luckily this one came out. Let's pull out the last one. You see the last one, it's all the way in the back here. This one right here. So as you can see, the one in the back is in the very tight spot right there. Can't put any hands in there. So what I'm gonna try is remove this bolt right here. This one right here, size 15mm. Go ahead and remove it. Hopefully with that, you're able to move this out of the way. As you can see, it's now loose. Hopefully with that, gives us more space to remove the last one right there. All right, let's try this now. All right, so what I used was a set of pliers, this kind. Just make sure I had a grip and pull it out. I was finally able to take it out, the one all the way in the back. You can't pull it with your hands because you have limited space right there. So yeah, use your pliers. This one's, I went ahead and picked, I already had these tools, but I got them from, it's a set of 3. I got them at Harbor Freight Tools. All right, let's go ahead and take out the spark plugs now. Start with the one in the very back. All right, so here's the passenger side. So you see all these are burnt out. Here's the new ones. And for the first 2 in the back out there, you have to use the short extension in order to get the spark plugs out. Let me show you real quick. So this is the extension I use, and the regular spark plugs right here. But you have to use this very, very small extension in order to take out the spark plugs on the first 2 back ones. All right, let's go ahead and replace this 4. All right, let's go ahead and replace the back one first. Go ahead and hand tighten it first. After that, go ahead and tighten it with your ratchet. Alright, so that's enough. Alright, so don't tighten it too hard, too tight. Once your ratchet tightens it, it should be enough. Swap the second one. here's the second one. Go ahead and hand tighten it first. After that, use your ratchet. Once you feel it tighten it with your ratchet. Make sure you don't want to tighten too much. That should be enough. Let's get the third one. Go ahead and hand tighten it first. Alright. After that, use your ratchet to tighten it. Same thing, you don't want to tighten it too much. Should be enough. Let's get the last one. Same thing, go ahead and hand tighten it. After that, tighten it with your ratchet. Should be enough. Let's go to connect our spark wires back in. Here's the first one. So you hear the click, should be good. Connect it back in here. Same thing with this one. Make sure it clicks in there. Same thing with the top. Top right here. Just go ahead. Press it down. Alright, let's go ahead and get the two back ones. Then we should be done with the passenger side. Next thing is the driver's side. Almost there. Press on it. Same thing. Press on it. Make sure it clicks. Let's get the last one. Should press it. I'm not sure if you heard the click, but it clicked. Should be good. Go ahead and connect your electrical right here. Spark wire. Alright, so don't forget your bolt right here. The one we loosen. In order to have space in the back there. Which is this bolt right here. 15. Yeah, it's size 15. Let's go ahead and put it back. Let's go ahead and disconnect this. Disconnect it right now. Tighten it with your ratchet. That's it. Let's get. All right. Oh, almost forgot your spark wire. Connect it back in. All right. Let's go ahead and do the other side, the driver's side now. All right. Go ahead and remove this bolt right here. In order to have access to the spark plugs that's underneath. I'll show you right now. Go ahead and twist it. Now you can see it. It's right under right here. I didn't want to have to remove this, but I'm gonna have to in order to move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and put it back so you don't lose the bolt. Alright, so we have more room now to work with. It's right there. Let's go down, pull it out. Alright, let's go ahead and pull out the first one. So since we disconnected this, make this one right here, make sure it doesn't touch any ground. Let's go ahead and cover it up with tape, or just grab a towel. Just wrap it up so it doesn't come in contact with any ground. Best way to go about it is disconnect your battery, your negative terminal. Sorry, pull out the first two. Go ahead and pull out the last two. Alright, here's the driver's side. As you can see, the 4 old ones look bad. Let's go ahead and replace it with the new ones. So for the first one, use your short extension, short head. Just go ahead and replace the first one. Just hand tighten it first. After that, use your ratchet to tighten it. Alright, let's go ahead and plug in the first one. Make sure it clicks in there. After that, just connect this. Alright, let's go ahead and replace the second one. Alright, so unfortunately, this wire set, as you see, it ripped. I'm gonna have to go get a new one. The rest, they came out nice, but yeah, this is what happens when you don't do your spark wires replacement and your spark plugs. As you can see, these old ones are all worn out. They're in bad shape. Alright, so nothing to worry. As you can see, it could be done. Alright, so here's the old spark wire set. As you saw, one of them rip on this. So they don't have a single set, so we had to buy the whole entire set. So I just yanked them all out and replaced them with the new one. Might as well switch them with the new ones, new set, so you don't have to do it again. Another 100,000 miles maybe. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.